Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going sledding. It's snowing out, as you guys can see. There is snow. I didn't even check both ways. Man.
Hey, yo.
Whee!
Look how thick the snow is, guys.
Guys, look at how thick the snow is. It's crazy. Look at that.
Today, we're going sledding.
Yo, let's go sledding! Everyone, we are currently walking through. Look at this. We're walking in tire marks because
it's straight winter wonderland out here.
it's crazy. Look at that. We're staying to the path. Whee! I'm so excited to sled. Yo, if you guys are new to this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.
And make sure y'all hit that like button because we do crazy videos like this on our channel every day.
If you guys don't subscribe,
Bigfoot will eat you.
and he really will.
He will.
All right, everybody. As you guys can see, he's gonna be going first. I'm gonna go second down this hill.
Look at this hill right here. We're gonna be going crazy down it. All right.
Dude, they're probably like, why are you guys in the cemetery? But the truth is, we have family out here. So,
And
you know,
this is a super big hill.
and it's right next to our family. So,
Guys, we are gonna go sledding down this hill. I haven't went sledding in like a year or two, so I don't know how to do this.
and dude, don't dive onto it though. Wait, take the camera with you. Right? Here.
Yo.
All right, guys, you're going with him, guys. It's not me
guys,
no more.
You're gonna come with me?
It's not me.
You push me, all right?
All right. All right. All right. You gotta push me after. Oh my God, this is gonna be something.
All right, push me. Yo, you guys are already sliding. Yo. Yo, guys, we going down. Yo, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because we are going down, guys. Yes, sir. And we have stopped. That was a success on the first try. That was a success. Back to you guys when we get back up this hill. Guys, I just seen the last clip I said, moving back to the top of the hill. I had to run up the hill, everyone.
Oh.
It's his turn now.
Oh no.
And he's going far, watch.
Oh, I already feel my weight pulling me.
There you go. All right.
Guys.
3, 2.
Nuh-uh. Guys, I'm going towards the drain. I'm hitting a pole. I'm going to the side. This is awesome. Whee! Oh no. Whee! Whee! Oh, there's drain. Whee! Whee! Oh no, I'm going towards. Whee! 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 Guys, it's so much fun! Whee! Woohoo! Guys, that was awesome! Oh shoot! Guys, that was great. That was so much fun. Bro, that was great. I went through the yard. Guys.
All right. So if you guys just see this last clip, he just went down.
Guys, that was fun. I can't explain how fun that was.
But guess
Now off to a
next hill.
Yo,
Guys,
right.
as you guys seen, we just went down twice on that. Let's go to the better hill.
go for. All right, and guys, we are on our way to the next hill. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet,
Make sure you guys subscribe right down below, and also leave a like on the video if you like this type of content. All right, everybody. Now that we're at the hill, time to go sledding.
Yo, you're gonna go so fast on this.
All right, hope so.
Let's predict that.
If you guys like this type of content, once again, make sure to like, subscribe, and then leave the snow comment if you like these type of sledding videos.
And guys, this video, you guys will see videos like this all the time because there is seasons here. There's not seasonings, there's seasons. So
let's go.
All right, guys.
Guys, here he comes.
Down.
Okay, let's see. All right, guys, here he comes.
Oh!
Guys, he's back. Yo, this hill sucks. Yo, this hill sucks.
That didn't really work, but now let's see if he can do it.
Me. He wants me to take the same path he was just on.
We are. I need him to take the same path
Guys,
that he was just
it's
on.
my luck, I hit the tree.
All right.
Oh, it's so dark. Damn.
It's super
Guys,
dark.
it's so dark. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's hope so. All right, yo, we're gonna have to get this over with because I got a little bit of footage of the town working in here.
Are you ready?
I'm going in this tree, and I'm gonna lean to the side.
All right, are you ready?
I am ready. What? Where am I going? Yo, we're going back on track. Whee! Guys, there's someone plowing while we're... Yo, that was kind of cool. Dude, I'm literally gonna try this new route. We'll see if this works.
It is pretty dark out here.
Guys, let's do this.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna record and then... Oh, no. Whee! Yeah! Whoa, dude, there's a road. Whee! Guys, that was great. That was so great. Yo, that was actually pretty fun. Go right back up the same path. Guys, we are losing daylight, and I just made it to the bottom of the hill, so now it's gonna be his turn.
So let's go. All right.
Wait, do I gotta push you now?
Yeah.
Guys, if you guys didn't know this, which you guys don't, he fell in the last clip. When I was going down the hill, I wasn't recording behind me. I was recording forward. He fell, and I didn't record behind me.
All right, guys. Now, with that being said, let's go down this hill.
How smooth was that transition? I wonder. Guys, we just did a transition. All right, dude, you're not ready for this.
I'm not ready for this.
Oh, what if I fall?
Oh, guys, push me. Yo! 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 We going fast on this one. Woo! God, that was fucking epic. Ah, let's go. Back to you at the top. All right. We just went back up the hill. Now it's his turn.
Bro, I can't do this.
All right.
All right. Camera?
Here you go, everyone.
Guys, you're coming with me in this one.
All right. All right.
Let's do it.
You guys are not prepared for this.
I'm not prepared for this. Never mind them. Guys, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Yo! Whee! Oh, guys, we took down a branch. Woo! Yo, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because if you guys don't, yo, it's Bigfoot. He'll eat you if you don't subscribe.
All right. He's filming on his phone. We're filming on the GoPro.
Guys, this is gonna be crazy. He's going right towards a tree. As you guys can see in front of me, there's literally a tree right there.
All right, I'm ready.
I'm pushing you?
Yeah.
Which way?
Just push.
Left or the right?
Just push.
Oh, we're pushing him, guys. Oh, you're going right toward that tree.
But I can't see towards the graves. That way.
In the cemetery right now, plowing it out. Yo, W tree. Yo, W tree. Now he wants me, guys. He wants me to take the same path he was just on.
We are. I need him to take the same path.
Guys, I'm gonna. It's my luck. I hit the tree.
All right.
Oh, it's so dark. Damn.
It's super dark.
Guys, it's so dark. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's hope so. All right, yo, we're gonna have to get this over with.
All right, guys.
Got a little bit of footage of the town working in here.
Are you ready?
I'm going in this tree, and there's not. I'm gonna lean to the side.
All right, are you ready?
I am ready. What? Where am I going? Yo, we're going back on track.
I couldn't push him that well. You know, I could not push him that well. We got to plow.
Alright, as you guys can see, for us to even film on this camera, you can't see nothing. Like, there's no chance. So, GoPro, turn off. It's off. Like, guys.
This is going to be the video because it is super dark out here. As you see, if you guys like these snowing / sledding videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a snow comment if you guys like these type of videos.
And if you guys just hit the subscribe button, you guys already know the rules.
Hit the subscribe button, or the Bigfoot will eat you.
For a buck.